The food at Casey Taco is unique in that you can tell how much time was spent into creating each dish.
2 more Korean pork tacos going down.
The Korean pork tacos are amazing. Very unique flavor to Kansas City.
Spicy, sweet. I love the kimchi over the top. That's kind of a nice little treat.
What are we getting into now?
Korean pork tacos, and we're gonna start off with our pork loin.
Okay.
We're gonna throw it in our Korean pork slather.
The slava.
Start off with some whole garlic,
Chili darble, a lot of ginger.
soy sauce, plenty of onion, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil,
This is the key right here.
Korean chili powder, sugar.
And there's your slather.
Let it rest overnight.
And then for service,
Cook it up with some of our homemade kimchi.
we're making kimchi.
Oh, yeah. Napa cabbage cut down. We got some non-ionized salt, a ton of water in that.
Pull the moisture out, wilt the cabbage.
Now we're gonna make the slurry.
The slurry.
Now we're gonna make the slurry.
Get ready, folks. He's making the slurry next.
Some rice vinegar, lime juice. We love the ginger. Dried chilies, sliced garlic. Cabbage is drained. Dump that right over here.
Nice big chunks of
Oh, yeah.
ginger and garlic.
Green onions,
Shredded daikon, Korean chili powder.
sugar. I'll let it set for at least 3 days. It's gonna get funky.
It gets funky.
We're gonna make some tacos. We're gonna cook up our pork that we've slathered overnight. Here's our homemade kimchi. Put it on top and let the juices meld together for a minute.
Tortillas ready?
Baja slaw,
That's a lot of baja.
Korean pork, ginger-infused hoisin drizzle, cilantro, toasted sesame seeds. You got this. That's a good bite. It's good from here.
Thank you very much, camera. It's really good. The pork's a nice play. It's a good amount of spice. Kimchi's got the funk, got a little bit of heat. Korean is what you're trying to invoke. You did it.
Right on. Korean bulgogi pork.
Oh, they're so good. They're just this smoky fire flavor.
Kimchi complements the tender pork really well.
Ahi tuna, the best. You really get an amazing vibe here. You kind of become part of the taco family.
Awesome, awesome.
You're a real cool dude with a cool style. And that funk and flair, you're pulling it off.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Delicious.